Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we're now 9 days away from Christmas. So who's ready to see what is behind door number 9? I'm struggling to fit this in, guys, so sorry. Ooh, this is a cuticle pen. Let's have a little look at it. That was a bit easier to get out than yesterday's. Yesterday's was a nightmare. So we've got a Mylee orange scent nail and cuticle oil pen. Nourishes and conditions. Again, like I've said before in my videos, guys, Mylee products are cruelty-free and vegan-friendly. You get 3 ml. So you twist that bottom bit there. Ooh, that smells really nice. It's not got a super strong scent to it. It's a really nice subtle smell. Mind you, I have got a cold, so maybe it is a bit stronger than what I'm smelling it. But do you know what I like about it? It doesn't feel super greasy. And like some oils are really greasy. Can you see that? It's not greasy at all. I really like that. Gorgeous. So that was a super quick one today. We've got the Mylee nail and cuticle oil pen in orange scent. Something essential that we all need. So that's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I hope you'll all join me in tomorrow's video to see what is behind door number 8. Take care. Bye.